Ever pondered how cloud strategies and consulting services can revolutionize your business operations? These strategies are crucial in navigating today's tech-driven world. Nowasys, a leading provider in this field, offers unparalleled solutions. For those who seek to stand out in the digital realm, Nowasys has got the perfect solution. Let's delve into a real-world example to understand the effectiveness of Nowasys' cloud strategies. Picture this: a thriving business grappled with data management issues, facing challenges in scaling operations and maintaining efficiency. Enter Nowasys. With a deep understanding of the business's unique needs, Nowasys developed a bespoke cloud strategy. The strategy hinged on migrating the business's data to a scalable, secure cloud-based system, thereby eliminating data silos and streamlining processes. The results? They were nothing short of transformative. The business saw an immediate boost in operational efficiency, data became easier to manage, and scaling became a breeze. The company's revenue also skyrocketed, thanks to the newfound efficiencies and capabilities enabled by the cloud. Such is the power of a well-crafted cloud strategy. It's not just about moving data to the cloud, it's about leveraging the cloud to transform business operations and fuel growth. That's the transformative power of Nowasys' cloud strategies, driving businesses to new heights. Are you ready to redefine your business with Nowasys' innovative cloud strategies and consulting services? Benefit from improved efficiency, reduced costs, and enhanced security. Take the first step towards a digital revolution. Discover Nowasys' cloud strategy and consulting services today.